Welcome to i5 Math. Today, we will learn how to subtract like fractions. However, before we proceed, let's give a definition of like fractions. Like fractions are the type of fractions which have the same denominators. For example, 2 over 3 and 5 over 3 are like fractions because they have the same denominator, 3. 6 over 7 and 2 over 7 are another example of like fractions. In these two examples, it is easy to determine whether the fractions are like or not. However, sometimes it is not so obvious. Let's compare 5 over 8 and 28 over 32. At first glance, it seems like we're not dealing with like fractions here. However, the fraction 28 over 32 can be simplified to its lowest terms. We achieve this by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by 4. As a result, we get the fraction 7 over 8. Now, this fraction has the same denominator as 5 over 8. The point here is to always bring the fractions to their lowest terms before proceeding with any mathematical operations. Now that we know what like fractions are, let's learn how to subtract them. Subtracting like fractions is easy. We simply subtract the numerators over the same denominator, which doesn't change. Let's subtract 8 over 11 minus 5 over 11. We keep the denominator 11 unchanged, and we subtract the numerator 8 from the numerator 5. 8 minus 5 equals 3, so the answer is 3 over 11. Let's do another example. 7 over 8 minus 3 over 8. We leave the denominator 8 unchanged, and we subtract the two numerators. 7 minus 3 equals 4. The answer is 4 over 8. The fraction 4 over 8 can be further simplified in order to bring it to its lowest terms. We notice that both the numerator and the denominator are divisible by 4. 4 divided by 4 equals 1, and 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So the simplified version of 4 over 8 is 1 over 2. Finally, let's summarize how we subtract like fractions. If two fractions have the same denominators, we simply subtract their numerators and keep the denominators unchanged. It is always good practice to bring each fraction to its lowest terms, so that it becomes apparent if the fractions we are subtracting are like or unlike. Thank you so much for watching. If you found value in this video, please click the like and share buttons. Also consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a comment. We would greatly appreciate it. Till next time!